Hey, it's Wade Betz with Military Mortgage Boot Camp. This edition of the VA Mortgage Minute is about the 3 mandatory questions we must be asking every client. So both realtors and lenders need to make sure to ask these questions because they are absolutely vital to assist our clients at the highest level, okay? So question number 1 is, are you or your spouse a veteran? You can't assume just by looking at somebody that they are or are not a veteran. So make sure to ask the question. Also, don't assume that the husband is the veteran. In today's modern military, plenty of women serve, and you will offend them if you assume the husband is the veteran when it turns out the spouse is. So make sure to ask, are you or your spouse a veteran? Question number 2 is, are you or your spouse eligible for a VA disability? If you are already disabled, a lender would get a copy of the disability award letter, and we would be able to exempt the funding fee as a result. We'll talk in much more detail about funding fees in a later video, but for now, if you are eligible to file a disability claim but haven't done so as yet, you must do so prior to closing on the home loan in order to be able to receive that funding fee back after closing. We're going to get into that in a greater detail as well. But the disability question is vital because it impacts the terms that they're able to offer, okay? Question number 3 is about the certificate of eligibility. So this document is the most important document that exists for a VA home loan. If you do not have it, you are not VA eligible. So most veterans have this. If you do not, we, the lender, can actually help get that for you and expedite that. It is absolutely vital that you have that as part of the pre-approval. If you do not have the COE, you do not have a pre-approval, okay? So just keep those 3 questions in mind because they will help us serve the veteran community at a higher level, okay? Now, don't forget, we have that Heroes Incentive Program. So for veterans that are purchasing a new home, we have a $1,500 credit that they can use to hold down their closing costs, and it's just a small thank you for the service that they've provided to our country. So it's the least we can do. If you know of any veterans that are thinking about buying, please think of us. We will take care of them at a very high level, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this VA Mortgage Minute. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.